Hi there, I'm Kevin. Today, we will practice some easy conversations you might have while shopping at the mall. Ready to shop and talk? Let's get started. Scene 1. Asking for help at Walmart self-checkout. A customer is using the self-checkout machine at Walmart. He runs into some problems and asks a store employee for help.
Hi, excuse me. Can you help me, please?
Of course, what seems to be the problem?
I think I scanned this item twice by mistake. Can you remove one for me?
No problem. Okay, I canceled the extra scan. You're good now.
Thank you. Also, I have another problem. This item doesn't have a barcode. What should I do?
Let me take a look. Oh, this one needs to be entered manually. I'll check the price for you.
Thank you so much. I'm still learning how to use this machine.
No worries. It takes a little practice. You're doing great.
Thanks again for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Key phrases. Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please? I scanned this item twice. I scanned this item twice. Can you remove one? Can you remove one? This item doesn't have a barcode. This item doesn't have a barcode. I'll check the price for you. I'll check the price for you. Scene 2. Buying an iPad. A customer wants to buy a silver iPad but finds out it's sold out. The store staff helps recommend another color.
Hi, excuse me. I'm looking to buy an iPad. Can you help me?
Of course. Are you interested in a specific model?
Yes, I'd like the iPad Air in silver if possible.
Let me check. I'm sorry, but the silver model is sold out right now.
Oh, really? That's too bad.
Yes, it's very popular. But we do have the iPad Air in space gray, blue, and pink.
Space gray sounds good too. Can I see it?
Of course! Here's the space gray one. It looks very sleek.
It looks great. I'll take the space gray then.
Excellent choice. Would you like to add a screen protector or case as well?
Yes, I'll take a case too. Thanks for your help.
You're very welcome. I'll get everything ready for you at the counter.
Key phrases. It's sold out. It's sold out. That's too bad. That's too bad. We have it in other colors. We have it in other colors. It looks very sleek. It looks very sleek. Scene 3. Asking about a sale. A shopper finds a nice bag in a store and wants to know if it's on sale.
Hi, excuse me, is this bag on sale? Yes, it's 20% off today. Awesome! How much is it after the discount? Let's see. It was $100, so now it's $80. That's a good deal. Are any other colors on sale too? Yes, the black and the red ones are also 20% off. Great. I'll take the black one, please. Great choice. Would you like to pay now or keep shopping? I'll pay now, thanks. No problem. I'll meet you at the counter.
Key phrases. Is this on sale? Is this on sale? How much is it after the discount? How much is it after the discount? That's a good deal. That's a good deal. Are other colors on sale too? Are other colors on sale too? I'll take the black one. I'll take the black one. Scene 4. Trying on clothes. A shopper finds a jacket she likes and asks to try it on. The store clerk assists her.
Hi, excuse me, can I try this jacket on? Of course! The fitting rooms are right over there, next to the mirrors. Thanks, I'll try it on now. How does it fit? It's a little tight around the shoulders. No problem. Would you like to try a bigger size? Yes, please. Do you have a medium? Let me check. Yes, here's a medium. Try this one. Thanks a lot. This one fits much better. I like it. It looks great on you. Would you like me to hold it at the counter for you? Yes, please. I'll keep shopping a little more. Sounds good. Just let me know if you need anything else.
Key phrases. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? It's a little tight. It's a little tight. Do you have a medium? Do you have a medium? It fits much better. It fits much better. I'll keep shopping. I'll keep shopping. Scene 5. Returning shoes at the store. A customer comes back to the shoe store to return a pair of shoes and talks to the store worker.
Hi, excuse me. I bought these shoes a few days ago, but they don't fit well. Can I return them?
Of course. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thanks. May I ask what the problem is with the shoes?
They're a little too tight and they hurt my feet after walking.
I see. Would you like to exchange them for a different size instead?
I thought about it, but I think I'll just return them for now.
No problem. I'll process the return. It will go back to your card in 3 to 5 business days.
Okay, thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Let me know if you need anything else.
Key phrases. Can I return these shoes? Can I return these shoes? They don't fit well. They don't fit well. May I ask what the problem is? May I ask what the problem is? Would you like to exchange them instead? Would you like to exchange them instead? I'll process the return. I'll process the return. Scene 6. Picking a gift for Mother's Day. A customer walks into a gift store looking for a special gift for her mother for Mother's Day. She asks the store worker for suggestions.
Hi, excuse me, I'm looking for a gift for my mom. It's for Mother's Day. Of course, we have lots of great options. What kind of things does your mom like? She loves flowers and jewelry. In that case, we have some beautiful flower bouquets over here and a new collection of necklaces and bracelets just for Mother's Day. That sounds perfect. Can I see the necklaces? Sure. This one with a heart pendant is very popular. It's beautiful. How much is it? It's $45. And today we have a 10% Mother's Day discount. Nice! I think she would love it. I'll take the necklace, please. Great choice. Would you like a gift box with it? Yes, please. That would be great. No problem. I'll wrap it for you.
Key phrases. I'm looking for a gift for my mom. I'm looking for a gift for my mom. What kind of things does she like? What kind of things does she like? Can I see the necklaces? Can I see the necklaces? I'll take it, please. I'll take it, please. Would you like a gift box? Great job, everyone. Now you know how to talk while shopping in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time.